Jammu and Kashmir. Nice to meet you. Uh, I am from I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Yeah. I don't do anything. I completed my graduation. What about you? Have you completed? Pardon? Okay. Which department are you studying? Okay. Which year are you studying? Which year? Third year. Okay, so nice. And what's your future plan? Do you want to provide your service in government department, private department, or any sector? Mhm. Okay. Oh my goodness, you want to be a politician, right? Wow. Advance all the best. And I met so many people on here, but I never meet anyone like you because you want to provide your service in freelancing type of social activity, right? Because that work is so tough work. Politician work is a so tough work, right? Then why you choose the profession? Why you choose that? Mm-hmm. 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 Oh, wow, advance all the best and you reach your destination as soon as possible, and definitely you can do. First of all, you set your mind, and first of all, you provide your service as a social activist, and you have to provide your service as a volunteer, right? Because you if you do since now, then you definitely, first of all, what happened, you go and you fill on the form or any kind of MLA MP, not like that. First of all, they evaluate what kind of you are. Do you want to provide service in favor of people and to the people, by the people? Then what type of, do you want to take benefit, and do you want to threaten them? Then they never accept you as a politician, right? First of all, you provide your service freely, right? And if you have empathy and sympathy, then you can evaluate to needy people what they want to and what they like or dislike. First of all, you have to meet them and you want to know their desire, you want to know their need, what type of are they. you know Poverty people mean different kind of low poverty people you get, right? Someone has a financial problem, someone has a means different kind of problem, medical problem, some has a education problem, right? First of all, you have to collect only their problems and how to solve their problem. You make a road map, right? It is not easy task because if you want to miss build any road, building, school, colleges, right? Then that is a development that is a development work. Means politicians do it, it's okay, but low poverty people, they don't know what is development, right? They don't know what is development. They only need means food, clothes, education, right? Then you have to make them understand, if you accept me, then you get free, means ration, chal, dawal, or any kind of means government land if they don't have any kind of land to cultivate, or for their residence, build their house. Then if you provide any kind of, then they believe you, right? Otherwise, if you even though you see government employee are also means social activist, right? Like a social work, government employee, they get salary from government. Government also one type of social worker, right? Social activist, but they have a protocol, right? They means they hire employees, and they that employees go through route, and they collect on information from needy people what they want to. Some people they want to need PDS, means rice dal. Some people need financial, some people need education. They don't have money to send their kid to higher education, right? Then all government employee, they go and they collect that information, and they have a step by step. All department they have a they have a all department, right? Tahsil, block, district office, and DM, district magistrate. They collect all information, and government has a one guideline, right? They follow that guideline, and they help the people, but they get salary. Government employees, they get salary. They don't volunteer help the needy people because they don't have power, right? But politicians, or if you become a social worker, and you take their problem, you collect their problem, and you go to the department, and you tell them, you represent their problem in front of government, right? And you fight them, and you make them understand that person is a really genuine needy people, and that person take that kind of benefit from government, right? Because you do your work like a mediator, right? Mediator type of one. Because that people, needy people, low poverty people, they don't have enough knowledge about department. And government department people, employee people, they follow guideline policy. They don't want to jump out of guideline. They don't have power to help the needy people. But you have to know about government policy and guidelines, who are eligible, who are eligible, and who are not eligible. And you have to follow guideline, then you can help them. Otherwise you never misguide them. I want to help you, definitely you get benefit, but you have to follow that guideline. That guideline means support that people problem or not, then you can solve their problem. Or not like that, right? Then definitely you become a politician. But first of all, you set your mind, you want to help them freely, and you don't want to take any benefit from them, and you help them genuinely, right? Properly, you don't misguide them. If you misguide, then definitely if they know you misguide them, then they never misbelieve you. If you lose your belief from them, then definitely you never make your belief system in front of them or in their mindset, right? Then you have to clarify your mind, you have to clarify your mind, right? Then you make a roadmap, and after that you, because you are living in rural area or urban area, I don't know, but I thought you feel this kind of means something. That's why you want to be a politician, right? Do you belong to politician family? Any your family members means involved in politics? Okay. Only you feel like a politician, they never help the needy people, and we never, they never developed your area. and they misguide. So you thought definitely one day if I complete my graduation, after that I involve in politics and I join politics and I want to help the people, I want to develop my area, right? But you have to know about, not only you go and you tell, if you give any your grievance to the department and they obey your whole thing, not like that, right? First of all, slowly, gradually, you have to learn.